Everyone's asking the wrong question about AI. They keep saying, will AI replace jobs? That's not the question you want to be asking. The real question is, who owns the agents doing the work? Because right now, there are people making thousands a week, not by freelancing, but by owning the AI agents that do the freelancing for them. So today, I'm going to show you 3 AI businesses that you can start right now, even if you've got zero coding experience. But just quickly, before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's start with the easiest one, the lead gen agent. This thing can make you around $750 a week once it's up and running. Here's what it does. It scrapes public data, it finds leads, it writes emails, and it books calls for you. Basically, it replaces a sales assistant. Here's how you set it up. Use Atlas to collect the data from Google Maps or LinkedIn, drop it into Google Sheets or Notion, then use ChatGPT or Atlas prompts to write personalized outreach messages. Send the emails automatically with a Gmail API or any cold email tool. You can set this up in a day. But who do you sell it to? Well, you sell it to local services, businesses, coaches, consultants, and anyone who needs leads fast. Just say, I'll build you a lead gen agent that finds and books qualified leads for you on autopilot. That's not a service, that's a system. And systems get paid more. So here's the move. Charge a setup fee of $500 to $1,000, then a small retainer to keep everything running. If they stop paying, that's fine. You still keep the system, you just clone it and then sell it to the next client. And in a minute, I'll show you how to price all of these offers properly, so people say yes without hesitation. But first, let's talk about one that's booming right now. This one's for creators, agencies, or anyone posting content. It's called the Content Repurposer agent, and here's what it does. It takes one long form video, like a YouTube upload or a podcast, and it automatically turns it into 10 shorts, 10 titles, 10 hooks, captions and descriptions, and then schedules them for posting. It's literally a one-person content team in a box. All you need is Atlas for topic mining, a clipping tool like Opus Clip or Descript, and a scheduler like Later or Buffer. That's it. Now, here's where it gets clever. Don't charge per video, charge per month. For example, a $997 a month retainer plus a small bonus for performance. Say to clients, if your content blows up, then we both win. It sounds collaborative rather than salesy, and that one line alone will land you a lot more deals. Now, let's get into one that's perfect if you're into affiliate marketing or digital offers. This one's my favorite, the Product Research and Offer Builder agent. Here's what it does. It finds out what people are actually buying right now. It compares products and pricing. Then it uses AI to write the first draft of your landing page and all of your email copy. So instead of guessing what will sell, you're letting AI do all of the research for you. And it's not just for you. You can sell this service as well. You want to pitch it like this. I'll build you an AI agent that researches your competitors, finds demand, and writes the first draft of your offer in 48 hours. That's a $500 to $1,500 service easy. Here's the 5-step process, and you can screenshot this if you want. First, use Atlas to scan your niche, then drop the data into Notion or Sheets, then highlight reoccurring pain points and ask ChatGPT to write a landing page in 3 emails. And finally, deliver it as a Google Doc or maybe a Loom video. And that's it. You've just built an automated market research business in a single day. Now, pricing. The biggest mistake people make is selling their time. Don't do that. You're not selling hours, you're selling systems that create results. You're not doing lead gen, you're selling a client engine. You're not editing content, you're selling a visibility system. And you're not writing copy, you're selling a conversion agent. See the difference? That language shifts you from a freelancer to a business owner. So here's what to charge. You can charge a setup fee of between $500 and $1,000, then a monthly retainer of $1,000 to $2,500. That's how you make real money without working 24/7. Now, if you're wondering how to get people to say yes, well, you need to run a simple 2-week pilot. You tell them, Let's just test it for 14 days. You only pay to keep it running if it works and you like the system. Then track one KPI, like the calls booked or videos repurposed, and when they see results, you can say to them, if you want to keep this agent running, it lives inside my account, you just pay to keep it active. And guess what? They'll pay and they'll keep paying because it saves them time. Because now you're not asking them to hire you, you're offering them a machine that makes them money. And more often than not, they'll say yes. If this fired you up and you actually want to start building income streams like this, then grab my free affiliate starter pack. It's not about building AI tools, it's about learning the system that turns attention into income. The same structure I use for affiliate offers works exactly the same when you're pitching AI services or digital products. It shows you how to build a simple funnel, capture leads, and convert them into sales. So whether you're selling a digital course or an AI agent, you've got the framework that makes it all profitable. There's a link to that in the description below. And remember, AI isn't coming to take your job, it's coming to replace your excuses. You can either get replaced by the agents, or you can own the ones replacing everyone else. The choice is yours.